Hello and welcome to a math tutorial video. Today we're going to be going over solving and expanding quadratic equations. And here we've got some equations. As you can see, some have been solved. And for these two, we're going to quickly just try and find the mistakes. If you want to take a moment now, just pause the video and try find the mistake here. Okay, to start off, to solve this equation, we are going to get x plus 1, and we are just going to put it as two different brackets because that is what it means. It is squared. So now we're going to do the FOIL method. So the first two, and then outside and inside. So 1x and another 1x. So plus 2x plus the last ones, which is 1 by 1. And as you can see, these two answers are different. And the reason is you can't just distribute the two into the 1 and the x. You need to solve it this way or by using the FOIL, and you'll see you get the products of this and this number, but multiplied by 2. A way I like to understand this problem a bit better on why this doesn't equal this is if we were to set x equal to 2. Now, as you can see, if x equals 2, well, we know that 2 plus 1 is 3, so that is equal to 3 squared, so that is equal to 9. But it is not equal to 2 squared plus 1 squared, because that would be 4 plus 1. In the same way, we can use the FOIL method, and this will also add up to 9. We're now going to look at the next equation, see if you can just solve it by yourself or try to see the mistake. Okay, now we're going to be checking if this is correct using FOIL. So first, x squared outside is 2x, and last is 4, but the middle should actually be 4x because we've got the inside as well, which is also 2x. A quick way to do this is we look at these numbers here. So if you want to, you can start off with first to get the x squared and then the last to get the 4, so 2 squared. But then you multiply this against the other and then you multiply it by 2 so that you get the 4x. So that's a quick way of doing FOIL. Now that we've covered expanding quadratic equations a bit more, now we can look at factoring quadratic equations. So to start off, the factors of 1 are 1 and 1. So we're just going to put the factors here. And the factors of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. So we're going to incorporate the factors of 1 first. So we're going to put 1 here and 1 here, but we don't know whether it's +1 or -1. So we're just going to leave a spot for the minus and plus signs. Now we're going to look at this 5x and see which numbers not multiply, but which numbers add up into 5. Well, 5 is equal to 2 plus 3, also equal to 4 plus 1, which just so happens to be the factors here. So that means we are going to have to get 4x and 1x. So that means one of these has to be x because x multiplied by 1 gives us the 1x. But 1 is also going to have to be 4. So 4x, and we're going to confirm that this is +1. Now when we FOIL this out, we get 4x squared, and we're going to do the outsides to get plus x inside plus 4x last plus 1. And you can kind of see we've got the same thing here, except 5x is the sum of 4x plus 1x. I hope this video can be used to clear up any misconceptions about factoring and expanding. I wish you good luck with your maths.